In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your Google site. Whether you're looking to create a more personalized web presence or simply want a more intuitive web address for your audience, adjusting your Google site's URL is a simple and effective way to make your site more recognizable. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First, we'll head to your Google site. You'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google site's homepage. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you've logged in, locate your site from the list of your created sites and open it. This is the starting point for customizing your URL. Take a moment to browse through your site to ensure it's the correct one you wish to update, as you wouldn't want to change the URL for another project accidentally. Next, focus your attention on the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a prominent Publish button, but our target is actually the small drop-down arrow right beside it. Go ahead and click on this arrow. A menu will appear with a few options, but we're interested in the Publish settings. Simply click on Publish Settings, and this will bring up a new dialog box with several options related to your site's publishing details. Now let's concentrate on the field labeled Web Address. This is essentially your site's URL, the web address that people will type into their browsers to reach your site. It's crucial to choose a URL that's both easy to remember and relevant to your site's content. Once you've decided on a more suitable URL, click within the web address field and make your desired changes. Remember to double-check for any typos or errors, as an incorrect URL could make your site inaccessible to your visitors. After updating your URL, take a moment to review your changes. It's important to ensure that your new URL aligns with your branding and is easy for your audience to recall. When you're satisfied with your new URL, simply click Save or the equivalent option to confirm your changes. This will update the publication settings, and your Google site will now be available at the new web address you selected. And that's all there is to it. You're done. Changing your Google site's URL is a straightforward process, and with your updated web address, your site is now poised to attract and engage more visitors effectively. As you proceed with customizing and expanding your site, keep in mind that maintaining a clear and consistent brand identity is key to building an online presence that resonates with your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site building.